Email marketing, affordable internet marketing technique.
Email marketing is labeled as a killer method, and it comes to effective low-cost internet marketing endeavors. This is because it is the most widely used and has the best reputation in bringing targeted traffic to websites. It is used to stay in touch with your customers or prospective customers, send out invitations, or make special offers. It's as easy as writing an email that may be in a form of a newsletter or a plain announcement, and sending that to as many targeted recipients as possible. However, there's an ideal way of going about it. Email marketing is not just about writing any email that you will be sending to anybody. To clarify that, here are some simple tips in doing email marketing the best way possible. 1. Join the Can Spam campaign. Email marketing is not at any rate tantamount to spamming. You are not supposed to send information that your email list will not have any valuable use for. 2. Make your email list open it. Your email might get lost together with the hundreds of emails that inbox owners are confronted with every day. Improve your subject line by using extra white space creatively, adding text symbols, starting each word with a capital letter, asking compelling questions, not making any unbelievable claims, and not using the word free. 3. Keep it real. Not including any too good to be true statements is not only applicable to your subject line. Your email content must never embody any promise your business can't keep. Make your offer genuinely of value to your recipients. 4. Don't go too low. If you inform your customers regarding discounts, minimal discounts are not that effective compared with substantial discounts. But never offer discounts that are lower than your profit. It will defeat the purpose of this email marketing effort. 5. Make it eventful. It's not about contradicting the advice that you should keep an email short and sweet. This tip is on including seminars, conferences, and other events in your email. Businesses that require training benefit much from this method. With these RSVP requiring emails, repetition is important. Just make sure that an ample interval is considered before sending out a reminder email. 6. Post news. Sending newsletters and postcards provides useful information for your subscribers. These are the best forms of reaching out to your customers or prospects. You should keep the information short, simple, and direct to the point for this feat to be effective. With these simple ways of going about your email marketing endeavor, your business will prosper in no time.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.